This is the first real upgrade per se I've done, although really should say it's just the completion of the build, as the video card's the only thing missing. What I'm installing today is the EVGA GTX 560 Ti, the 448 edition from EVGA. It's their FTW series, so it's supposedly overclocked and whatnot. I don't need to go on about that. I guess I could just put a link down below. So I guess I should take some screws out. So we need to remove a couple screws. Now these thumb screws are a little bit well seated, I guess you could say. There, thumb screws out of the way. Here we go. Because I don't like it when people don't have enough light inside their box or inside their computer when they're trying to show off how they did it. We'll get our light right in there so we can see. There.